Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to add graphs to your videos in your CapCut app on your PC. It's a very simple process and we're gonna go through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, open the CapCut app on your PC. Once you're in CapCut, click on Create Project. This will open up a blank canvas where we can start adding our media. In this interface, here you can see the import option. Tap on it. Now select your video or photos where you want to add the graph to. For now, I'll just add one picture. Select this picture and tap on Open. Now once you import your photo or video to the CapCut, drag it over here in the timeline. Now we need to add the graph. You can select a point in your photo or video where you want to add the graph. So right click on it. Over here in the video section, you can adjust the scale of this picture, and here you can see the keyframe button. Tap on it and the keyframe will be added. And select another point. Again, right click on it and use and scale it according to your preference. Again, add the keyframe. Tap on another point. Again, right click on it. Add the scale. Again, add the keyframe. You can add several keyframes in the graphs according to your need. Once you're done adding the keyframes, again right click on it. Here you can see the option Show Keyframe Animation. Click on it. And here you will see the keyframes of the graph. You can adjust it according to your need. Here also you can select the graphs, and here you can adjust it according to your need. So you can click on the play button to preview how it looks. And there you have it. That's how you add graphs to your videos in CapCut on PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.